Good morning, Carolina. It's Robbie and Kaya coming to you from Carolina Beach, North Carolina with your Tuesday morning video surf report. What a beautiful morning we have here on the Carolina coast. Going to be up around 80 degrees today. Beautiful sunny skies. Unfortunately right now there's just not much surf. Only in the ankle to really shin high range, and that's about it. Oh, we've got porpoise in the lineup here, dolphin, bottlenose dolphin, out there having fun. Kaya's going to check it out. But just a beautiful day here. Gorgeous sunrise just about to happen. Let's see if we can catch these porpoise, or these dolphin rather, on the video. These may be porpoise actually. But anyway, a beautiful day here, Carolina, so get out there and enjoy it. As always, Carolina, if you do come to the beaches, leave our beaches cleaner than you found them. Have a great day, everyone, and enjoy these dolphins.